Germany, QVC Germany, #1 cook brand in QVC Germany. That's Kochblume. But one of the #1 cookware brands here at QVC US is Temp-tations. And this, now we're going to talk about the set of 2 1-quart popcorn holders. So 1-quart containers right here. You're getting 2 of them. And we have them for you in so many different color choices. So let's go through them really quickly. Here's your red doodle, set of 2. This is your white woodland. Ooh, white woodland, we never get to see it. It always sells out quick. So if you're a white woodland lover, you could pick these up now. Here's your patriotic. We also have a confetti in the old world. This is old world confetti. 350 in the old world confetti. Old world blue, 125. Old world green, 100 in the set of 2 in the old world green. Floral lace blue, we have 550. Please just look at this blue. Floral lace red, 450. And floral lace black, 225 remaining. And we also have floral lace gray for you to choose from. 150 remain. First day at this clearance price right now. Clearance sale price of $19.38 for both. These are phenomenal, and because they are hand-painted ceramic stoneware. By the way, if you want the white woodland, we have 7 dozen remaining, and that is it, and always extremely popular. So yeah, I mean, popcorn holders absolutely create those family memories and have a beautiful place to present and to serve and to eat your popcorn. But like I always say, Temp-tations, we name it one thing, but it does a million other things, Lisa. Yes.
It sure does. And Rosina, that's what we call magical transformation at Temp-tations. This is part of our nostalgic line. So Tara was thinking about, you go to the movie theater, you get those, either the paper bags or the cardboard where you get the popcorn, right? And she's like, there's got to be a better way. So she's like, let's do it in stoneware. Let's make it beautiful and oven safe and microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Hence the popcorn holder. Now we're retiring this. It has been so incredibly popular. So here I'm just showing you, yeah, great for your popcorn. But here's the magical transformation part. The fact that you're getting 2 1-quart bakers, holders, vases, like I have it right here. Maybe you want to put your basil plants in there and you want to put it right next to your, maybe your kitchen window. Maybe you want to put your silverware in here and you want to bring it out to the patio. You're starting to get the idea, right? There's a pattern and a color for everybody and so many uses for this.
That is so, yes. So the silverware, right. And then in the other one, the napkins.
Yes.
You could serve anything in here. You put this in the oven up to 500 degrees so you can cook in here and you can make the macaroni and cheese or whatever else you need to make. But as a serving dish, keeps cool things cooler, warm things warmer. So fruit salads in here as well. I mean, it's a beautiful 1-quart capacity. So as you can see right there.
Look at this. Look at this. So we just lined a napkin and we put homemade fried chicken in here. So this is going to be that great serving piece for you. It's not too big. It's not too small. 1-quart capacity, but it's deep. That's what allows it to be like a popcorn holder, a planter. But it's also great to maybe do your fruit kebabs in because you can layer high because it's stoneware and to keep it nice and cold. It's perfection. One of my favorite things to do, wrap this up as a gift, and this is now going to be your wine bottle holder. If you're going to use this at home, Rosina, just put some ice in here. It'll keep your wine so nice and cold. Hey, maybe add in that rabbit wine opener. What a cute gift that would be. And then one more thing I just want to show you over here is going to be the French fries. How amazing are these French fries? And look at this. If you want to pair it, maybe, look at this.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Want a French fry, Rosina?
Yes, I do.
Yes,
and
please.
That's not fair because I don't have any here. So now I'm going to get sad for the next 2 hours. So there you go. You have your set. If you have your doodle, if you got the doodle, now you can do the red in the doodle to match back, set of 2. The white woodland, most popular and most limited now. 5 dozen remain in the white woodland. Here's your patriotic. We only have 250. This ships in time for the 4th of July. We've got our confetti Old World right here, 350 in the confetti. Old World blue, 120 in the set of 2. Old World green, 7 dozen, and that is it. We have the floral lace in this amazing deep inky blue. We have the red floral lace, and we also have the black floral lace. And we also have floral lace in the gray. So you're getting a set of 2. Over 100 have been picked up in the last few minutes in the show. These are our final quantities. These are being retired. So this is your chance to get these home and start playing with them. Yes, use them for your delicious popcorn. And we have some Farmer John's coming up a little bit later. Or use them for so many other things in your kitchen. 1 quart capacity set of 2. For $19.38, 5 easy payments of $3.88. It's amazing. The prices in the show are incredible today, Lisa.
Yeah. They are just amazing. Yes, they are. And Rosina, we have an hour show at 5 o'clock with Sandra Bennett as well.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll